Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring WhatsApp and your phone OS are updated. This fixes many UI bugs. Once done, force close other apps to free memory so the video call interface stays responsive. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are allowed. Without them, the app may behave unpredictably. If you use Battery Saver, disable it for testing because throttling can cause minimize issues. Now open WhatsApp, start a video call, and watch whether the minimize control appears and stays active. Next, dive into Settings. Verify System Picture-in-Picture and WhatsApp Chat Bubble options because conflicts there often cause the minimize button to vanish. Once enabled, test switching cameras and rotating the device to reproduce the problem and learn the pattern. If it fails persistently, clear WhatsApp cache to remove corrupted temporary files. This preserves messages. Also test a video call while connected to Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network-triggered UI behavior. These steps isolate whether the issue is settings, cache, or not. Finally, backup chats and reinstall WhatsApp to replace potentially corrupted app files. This often resolves persistent minimize bugs. Once reinstalled, restore your backup and recheck permissions and PIP. If multiple apps show similar issues, reset app preferences to restore defaults without losing data. If the problem continues, gather specifics, OS version, WhatsApp version, screenshots or screen recordings, and contact WhatsApp support. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the bug while recording so you can show exact steps and timing when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.